So, what have we done to the car so far?
Check the tow, air pressure, just normal stuff for now.
Check the water. Water was good.
You check gas.
Steven car's back, by the way. Drive shaft's back in. This GoPro right here that we're actually talking on right now is going on to Steven's car now, because we have that fancy dancy 360 GoPro. Camera on the front, camera on the back. Sounds like a Joe Dirt expression. It's race day. We're trying to get her done. Oh wait, Steven, where you start? You start first in Heat 1? Ooh.
Through the pole, baby.
What about him?
He starts 7th in Heat 1. So he's got six cars to get up to me. He'll do it. Most likely.
Go fast.
Try to. I got a nasty push in 1 right now. 3 and 4 feels great. Nasty push in 1. I got to do something else in the corner to get it.
Just force it to rotate.
I tried. It pushed. I don't know if it's because the track was super wet or what, but I have to. We made a couple of minor changes. See if it'll help. But I think it's just more my driving. I'm driving it in way too hot. And the track being wet, it just pushes.
Now what he's speaking of is we just ran heat races.
Hot laps.
Hot laps, yeah, Jesus.
Ran hot laps.
So, and we actually put a camera facing towards the drive shaft.
So we got a brand new drive shaft in it this morning.
Just to watch the drive shaft. As you can see there, she blows. And I might just even see it in the video. Who knows? I might just... this heat race. Drove the crap out of the car and put it in victory lane in heat race number 1. He'll be starting 6th tonight. Tim started the same heat. He did not finish as good. He actually finished last. He's fighting a setup issue, but what we're gonna do is we've changed the gear and we're gonna see if that fixes it, because we were at a different gear and it doesn't seem to be rotating now that we've swapped gear. So, any extra info?
No, we're gonna kick ass and take names.
Alright, dude. Kick ass.
So started pole, first start, we get to turn 1, there's a red flag caution. Drivers were okay. Sat there for like 5 minutes, got everybody cleared, ready to go, started back up, and I was feeling okay. I was a little loose on 1 and 2. About 2nd or 3rd lap I came into 1, right there on the cushion, and it just got way out, and I stepped way out, and I was looking at the inside wall, saw cars coming at me, and I was like, uh-oh. Was ready to hit the clutch and just brace, and I guess my reaction is I just stomped the gas and turned the car back and just kept going. Slowed everybody down, unfortunately, but luckily, because I could have gotten clobbered very, very bad. Didn't cause a caution. Got it back going.
Drove away.
I guess I drove away from everybody. Jesse Powers finished 2nd. He said he could catch me on entry, but off the turn he goes, I was a rocket. Little loose coming off of 2. That's about the only issue. Other than that, car feels amazing. Enters great. 3 and 4 is a little bumpy. Probably gonna get worse as the night goes on. Won the first heat, and they did a 6-man invert, so I went from 1st to 6th. Got some fast guys in front of me. We're probably about 6/10 behind them in time. We did a gear change on Timmy's car. Hopefully that's gonna speed him up. Hopefully I can calm down a little bit, put some good laps in. And hope for a top 3 or maybe a win. That's the plan. First heat race win.
Woo! Alright, so we're taking rounds out. I'm recording.
I put some rounds in it before the heat race, and it didn't help it any, so I'm going to take them back out. We changed the gear in it, and went back to the same gear that I used to run when I ran good. Right or wrong, I live off a tire spin to get the car to rotate, and it's not rotating. So I went back to the same gear I used to have, get the RPMs back up, see if I can get a little tire spin to get it to rotate coming off the corner.
Where'd you finish in the heat?
Last. Same place I started.
Well, at least we had a
Well,
little bit
I
of
didn't
success.
end up on my side like the other 2.
Yeah, that was crazy. That happened right in front of us.
I'm gonna record the feature down there. You need an Allen key.
How'd you do, Jeff?
2nd.
2nd? How'd the car feel?
Car's good.
Got more power now?
Track's a little slick, but motor's back to the way it should be.
Track's perfect. A little bumpy.
It's not perfect, but
So he's screwing it.
yeah, I need the Allen for here.
What size was that, dude?
I don't know.
Whichever one you grabbed earlier. Hey, can we make a heat race win sticker?